Mummy, I also want a hammer like this.
No, daughter, I don't have money. Where can I get it from?
Get it from anywhere. I will leave from here. Only when you bring it.
Okay, stay here, friend. I will make a wooden hammer for my daughter and will make it better than this, friend. If I had money, I would have bought an aluminium hammer for my daughter, but what to do? I don't have that much money. So I made this wooden hammer with my skill, friend. If you like this hammer, then like and subscribe for my daughter and friend. Write a cute name of your family in the comment and send a red heart for your mummy. After many hours of hard work, this wooden hammer has been made. I am giving it to my dear daughter here. My dear daughter, your hammer is better and bigger than that uncle's.
Yes, Mummy. You have made a very beautiful hammer. Thank you very much, Mummy.